Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a battery on a 1999 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Sport. Lift up on the hood and just pull straight up. As you can see, there's the little latch here that you push up on to open it. And grab your prop rod, go ahead and put it in the hole. Go ahead and grab a 12mm socket and wrench and remove these two bolts to get this bracket out of the way. Go ahead and lift this mechanism out of the way. Then there's also this piece. Notice there's a hook here on the end. Kind of have to swivel it to get that out. So let's go ahead and remove the negative terminal first. It's going to be 13mm. And grab this negative terminal and just wiggle it back and forth. Now that that's off, go ahead and set it aside. Make sure it's not touching any bare metal. Then for me, the positive terminal appears to be a 10mm. Let's go ahead and loosen that. Be careful not to create a circuit. So if you touch this with your bare fingers, then your elbow touches a part of the frame of the car, you could be electrocuted. Here's the old battery, here's the new one. I got this at my local junkyard for $50. Next, you can hop on eBay and order one of these. It's a battery terminal cleaner. So this part is for terminals, and this end is to clean the posts. Let's go ahead and clean the posts. That way we can make a good connection. Those are both clean. Then I usually get this from AutoZone. If you don't know what this is, it just claims to prevent corrosion, extend battery life. And here there's a little packet. So go ahead and set those on there. One thing I forgot to mention is take your terminal protector before the battery's in the vehicle. Cover these rings with the grease that comes with it. You'll want to do this for both rings for each terminal, as well as the bottom. Once that's coated on both sides, just set it back on there. Let's do that to the other one. And just go ahead and take this white tray and just dump that out. Sometimes there's a bunch of leaves and debris in there. Then you can go ahead and set the tray back in there. As you can see, there's two posts. And after fidgeting with it for a minute, it finally just kind of slides into place. Let's go ahead and clean these terminals. Then here in the bottom of the battery tray, as you can see, there was this hook portion. That hook's right up in here. You have to keep tension pulling upward or it'll fall down. Now that battery's set into place, let's go ahead and connect the positive. Let's go ahead and use the 10mm and tighten that up. Mine has this extra ground wire. I'm not sure why. I'm going to try to tuck that in the terminal. Then just make sure the post is pushed all the way down. Just use a rubber mallet or something gentle. Gently tap it down. This was a 13mm. Let's go ahead and put the bracket back into place. So I start with the hook. And go ahead and line up this hole. Let's go ahead and thread that in a few times. And let's do this hook portion. Let's go ahead and snug this down. This one too. Don't want to do too tight because you don't want it to be smashing in on your battery. That's probably good. Just make sure it's sturdy. And lastly, take your battery terminal cable protector. Go ahead and just smear it on the outside of the terminals. It'll just help the rust stay off the surfaces as well as corrosion. Now that that's installed, you'll probably have to reprogram your radio stations, but it should just start up and be good to go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.